this is my first ever vlog na baka ma-post ko sa YouTube. Pero tomorrow, pupunta kami ng Korea! Yung alis namin is like, from the house, 3 p.m. Tapos pupunta kami ng airport. Tapos, flight namin midnight, like 12. So, it's a midnight flight. So, parang, it's a dream kasi midnight flight siya, diba? Okay, so isang puffer jacket lang po na ipapakita ko ngayon kasi ito yung favorite puffer jacket. It's color pink. See, how cute! Look. Okay, there. Pero mukhang marshmallow. Okay, bye guys. Okay, guys, so we're on the way to the airport right now. So I'm gonna do a quick fit check. Just do it here. Ay, hindi siya kita. Oh my gosh. Wait, like, open it like. Oh my gosh. Bring Uggs. Look. I'm gonna show you. This is the only mirror I have. Okay, I'm sorry. I don't have a full body mirror. Wait, we're on the way to the airport now.
Put your hands around my body. Hold me tight and show it to me. I am yours and you're boy only. Put your hands around me. Put your hands around my body. I am yours and you're only. You got time and I've got money. Put your hands around me.
I'm vaping. We're vaping. Hi guys, so we're on the way to eat some breakfast. We just landed in Seoul. Nakikita yung hininga ko,
Sagit lang ako.
I got
Operation nyo na.
this and this. I got this and this. Okay guys, so while you're watching me making coffee, I'm going to make sure that I tell you that there's going to be photo dump commercials. So you guys won't be shocked when there's random photo dumps. Guys, so we got our handbook. This is mine. It's color red. This is my cousin. He's a Saja boy.
No more. Ay, di pala yung kontak ko.
So what's we
Then family picture tayo. Family picture.
Okay, so we're gonna eat na. Gonna eat now.
Ayun no, baka gusto nyo doon. 1982.
Where are we, guys? Mama, si alam mo din. Nakabidyo na yun. Wow! Yun ba yung shoes? Yun ba yung shoes? Oh, look at that view.
Saturday brown.
눈빛만으로 알 수가 있지 어떤 세상을 살아왔는지 처음 내민 너의 따뜻한 손길 내 맘이 전부 너
Guys, I'm back. So it's December 27 today. 0 degrees ay negative 2 degrees pala. Today I have Korea! Ang pretty ko, ang pretty ko, ang pretty ko. Ano ka? And then ito naman si Mara. So we're spending the night with them sa Korea. Magkaibigan na kami for like 3 years na. Yeah. So, nung una kami pumunta ng Korea, ang awkward namin.
Yeah, and like, wala pa kami alam tungkol sa like makeup or like,
Yeah!
pinagsusuot natin.
Oo.
Yung mga sinusuot natin, yung mga pinapasuot ni Mami.
Ano yung suot namin dati?
Parang ano, parang naalala mo yung mga suot niyo, yung bigay naming jacket.
Oo.
Ang lamig.
Tapos nag-karaoke pa tayo na ng awkward.
Tapos kayo, ano ba kananta niyo? Yung sa Taylor Swift.
Oo. Oh my God!
Ba only yung
Corny nun! Anyway, kumain kami here. We ate, what did we eat? Kalguksu. And now we're gonna get coffee. There's a car. Wait a minute.
I would like matcha.
Oh, I want matcha. Tell me matcha! Matcha! Oh my gosh. Okay, see you guys. We'll be right back. Transition. Kapag ginanon ka, i-ano mo. Kapag ganito ka, i-pause mo. Bye! See you later! Go. Okay. Hi guys, so we're at a Tusam place. And we're drinking matcha and we're eating Oreo cake. Bye guys. Ang sarap ng matcha dito. Nakikisugod siya.
Galing. Ito pala yun, no? From top view.
Yung tunnel.
Guys, so kakawash ko lang ng face ko. So, let me put my glasses. Mas pala. So today, nakikita pa ako ng water. We're going to cook baltak. So it's actually with my dream team, like Samyang sa Korea. And for the past like 2 years, nakapunta ko ng Korea like 2 times na, diba? So pakita na to. Ngayon ako nakakain ng buldak sa Korea. Pero di ko alam kung bakit ako nakakain mga last year. Pero gagawin na natin ngayon. So, let's go na. Ano? Unboxing. Mga kamis. Hintay natin Samyang. Hintay lang. Nakukulo yung water. So, mga dalat ngayon, nag-shopping ako, yung haul ko. Yung mga binili ko puro Zootopia. Ito, bigyan ko sa ako. Tapos binilhan ka ng regalo yung mga kaibigan ko. Binilhan kasi ng mga regalo sa Miu Miu ba yun? Basta yun, binilhan ko ang laki ng okay na siya. Let's get it. Maganda ko Stranger Things. Guys, so I'm back at Kriya's house. So, gawa tayo ng fit check lang dito. Lamor. It's fit check. So, pupunta tayo. Mag-ice skating daw kami. Pero sana pwede siya. Kasi she just had her surgery sa likod. Yeah. We are at Long Lemon Plaza, DDP. Ay, hindi ba picture? Kala ko video yan, video.
Okay, sa heart. Gusto nyo sa heart? Hoy!
Just woke up. Just woke up.
Yung mga ano doon mayayaman, talagang balak nilang gawin.
Today we're going on a trip.
Going on a trip.
So, super dangerous ng ginagawa namin. Hindi, joke lang ako lang pala. Anong dangerous? Natakot ka ba? Hindi, ako lang. Wala kasi ako, di kasi ako sanay. Naka-jeans lang ako. -4 ata ngayon. -4 degrees ngayon. And naka-ano ako. Wala akong patong sa loob. Like, jeans lang talaga siya. And dito lang yung loob ko. Hit-tech, tapos full jacket. Ang galing. Let's go, guys. Okay, we're on the way to the subway.
우린 서로 앞을 주저하고 현실 속에 무너져 가던 이런 나를 잊어가게 해 I'm telling the truth 너에게 가는 중 이제 나를 봐줘 내가 다가갈게 천천히 마주쳐
In Korean. Bayek po. Siyang tunay.
Ano tayo?
Guys, we genuinely did not know like how to like open the door here because there was no door. So like there was a moment here where I said like, "Oh, is this an escape room?" And I had like a moment there. Like, you'll see later. Wait.
Sige, mapasok po tayo dyan.
Ano to, escape room? Escape.
Push natin yan.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah. That's the way every day goes. Every time we've no control. If the sky is pink and white, if the ground is black and yellow, it's the same way you showed me. Nod my head, don't close my eyes. Halfway on a slow move. It's the same way you showed me. If you could fly, then you'd feel south. Up north's getting cold soon. The way it is, we're on land. So I'm someone to hold true. Keep you cool when it's still alive. Won't let you down when it's all ruined. Just the same way you showed me. You showed me love. Glory from above. Regardless, dear.
Uuwi na kami. We're about to leave Korea now. It's not fun. We're leaving Korea. What's your final message?
Umiiyak na siya. Aww.
It's okay, Kuya. It's okay. Paalis na kami sa Korea. What's your message? Bro, hindi naiyak yan. That's possession. Bye na nga. Bye. Bye na, bye. Bye na, bye. Hindi ako... Game! Bilis na dito na! Wait lang, wala pa akong iyakas. Ikaw din! Wala ka nag-iyak. Uy, wala ako. Ano ba yun? Ayaw ko lumabas. Mga nonchalant. Kasi wala lang iyak. Nakita mo yun? Yung crying. We're leaving, guys. I can't accept it. I don't want to go back to the Philippines. I cannot. Bye, guys. Bye, guys. Bye-bye. Iyak na ako. Bitawan mo ako.